Playlists are one of the most powerful tools you have as a YouTuber. In fact, making use of playlists is the most important thing that I have done to make my channel grow from 0 subscribers to 700 each month in less than half a year. If you use playlists in the way that I'm using them, I'm sure you can reach these same numbers. What's up everyone, Jelle here with the Video Nerd. I know that it's hard to grow as a small creator because, well, I'm one myself, and a few months ago I had to grow from 0 subscribers. The biggest tip I can give you upfront is that it's not about trying to go viral or anything like that at the start. It's about building your channel and preparing it for any opportunity in the future. I just saw a video of the content bug before starting to record this one, and she was talking about this too because she's just starting to blow up. She's been building for 2 years to get 1k subscribers, and in the last 1 or 2 months she grew from 1k to 27,000 subscribers, and she's still growing very fast. She said that people call it an overnight success, but that it can't be further from the truth. Well, yes, one of her videos blew up and that made her get so many new subscribers, but if all her other videos would have been bad or her channel wouldn't have been organized so well, she would not have gotten all those subscribers. She's been building for 2 years on a channel that has binge-watchable content and perfectly made playlists, etc. And that is what we are going to talk about today, using playlists the right way to build a channel that fuels your videos to rank better and convert viewers into subscribers. To be able to follow this video, you should have a basic understanding of the YouTube algorithm and how it uses tags, CTR, watch time, and user behavior to rank videos. If you don't understand that completely, then I strongly advise you to watch my YouTube algorithm tutorial, which is also in this YouTube for Gamers playlist. Making use of playlists is one of the most important things that I have done to my channel to grow it so fast from the start, and I still feel the power of my Streamlabs OBS master course that I made. When adding new videos to the playlist, they immediately get views and start to rank, because all the videos in the playlist boost each other and they are sending viewers back and forth between videos. But beware, because it's not just adding videos of the same genre to a playlist. You see this a lot. People make a playlist called reviews or gameplay and then they put those kind of videos in that playlist. That's great, but it's not something that will make you stand out and make your channel more powerful than that of someone else. If you're taking YouTube seriously, you're going to need a content plan and not just put out videos when you feel like it. You see, the reason that my Streamlabs OBS Master Course playlist works so well is because it's like one insanely long tutorial or masterclass that's cut into parts and put into a playlist. There's no double content inside of the different videos because I planned everything I was going to talk about in advance. People notice this and they feel like they should watch every video inside of the playlist to know everything about a certain subject. The end goal when making a playlist with videos that essentially are all part of one big subject or explanation is to capture people inside of the playlist and keep them there for as long as possible. It's exactly what I'm doing with this video right now. It's part of the YouTube for Gamers playlist, and my ultimate goal is in the first place to make sure you learn something from this video, but also to send you to my playlist so then you will learn more about growing your channel specifically and you generate more watch time for my channel. This is the second video that I'm producing for this YouTube for Gamers playlist, but there are already 8 subjects that are listed and I already planned how I'm going to link them together. For example, in my intro I told you that if you want to be able to follow this video, you have to understand the YouTube algorithm, and I advised you to watch that video first. Of course, since this is the second video I'm making, the algorithm video isn't ready yet, but that's not a problem because in 1 or 2 weeks it will be ready, so from then on people will be going to the playlist. And I know it can be awkward to say you can click on that video in the cards when the video actually isn't even out yet, but your video is going to be working for you for years to come, so it doesn't matter if your video isn't linked for the first 1 or 2 weeks. By the way, if you're enjoying this tutorial, please give me a like, it really makes me happy. So when you're planning all this out, you have to think about the content you could make about your chosen subject. Make up a list of 3 to 10 video titles, write them down, and then plan on how you're going to link those videos together. For example, your channel is about League of Legends and you're making a Katarina guide for beginners playlist, and one of your videos is about winning your lane as Katarina. There's a lot to talk about in a video about winning your lane. Wave management is one of the things, but you're probably not going to have the time to dive deep into that because you have a lot of other things to talk about. So you just give the basic information about wave management to your viewers. You tell them that wave management is very important, you tell them when they should or should not be pushing their lane, but how they need to control the lane, how do you make it push, how do you freeze it? Well, they can find that in your wave management guide in your playlist for Katarina. So you just make a separate video for that, or you plan to make it, and then in the current video you just tell them, hey, for wave management, go look there because I'm going to explain something else right now. And this is very powerful because by planning a whole playlist ahead of time, you can now tell people to go watch other videos even before they are out yet. And this is the kind of thing that makes your channel stronger, because once you finish the playlist, you have 10 videos that are all sending people around and making them binge watch your content. So then, because people will be brought to your playlist and they will keep consuming content there, the YouTube algorithm will notice that your videos are keeping people on the platform for a very long time. And this will boost the ranking of your videos. Like I'm explaining in my algorithm guide, the YouTube algorithm doesn't only care about watch time per impression. There's a whole lot of other factors that come into play and that decide how powerful your video is and how high it should rank. And let me tell you this, when you make 8 videos that all send people to a playlist that keep people watching videos, those videos that send people there are going to be ranking much higher. Look at it this way. One video with 5 or 6 minutes watch time is powerful. But what about one video that sends 7% of the viewers to a playlist that keeps people watching for 9 minutes on average, because all the videos are linked? That's very powerful and it will have a big impact on your growth. What else has a big impact is you smashing the like button, because I will wake up happy if you do. Now the next step for you is to go to my YouTube for Gamers playlist, because it teaches you everything you need to know to grow your channel. I will see you in there.